Here we have question number 5. Amit, who is 2.8 kilometers away from a bike, starts running further away from the bike at a speed of 5, and the bike takes 80 seconds to catch up to him. A train would take 15 seconds to cross Amit if he was running away from the train at 5, and it would take 16 seconds to cross a 100-meter long platform. Find the time taken by a bike to completely overtake the train. So Amit is there, bike is there, train is there, platform is there. So there are 4 objects involved. Probably going to be a little lengthy. Looks like that. But let's try solving it and check how lengthy it is. Amit, who is 2.8 kilometers away from a bike. So let us say Amit is here. The bike is here. The distance between Amit and bike is 2.8 kilometers. He says he starts running further away from the bike. He starts running further away from the bike at a speed of 5 meter per second. He's running at a speed of 5 meter per second, and the bike takes 80 seconds to catch up to him. Now we do not know the speed of the bike. If I assume the speed of the bike as b only, right? So in what time the bike will catch up with Amit? Of course, it has to cover a distance of 2.8 kilometers, which is also written as 2800 meters, because the speed is in meters per second, time is in seconds, so I'm taking this in meters, divided by the relative speed. Now relative speed would be b minus 5, speed of bike minus speed of Amit, and finally he says it should be equal to 80 seconds because the bike catches him in 80 seconds. From here I can cancel out 0 with 0, 8 say I can cancel out 280 at 35, and this gives me b minus 5 as 35 or b as 40 meter per second. So from this equation I have got the speed of the bike. What is next? A train would take 15 seconds to cross Amit if he was running away from the train at 5 meter per second. Now, what is the time taken by a train to cross a person? For that, you have to cover the length of the train, which I am assuming as L. And because they are running in the same direction, who is running away from the train, that means that he is running in the same direction as train is running. Let us say the speed of the train is t. So the relative speed is t minus 5, speed of the train minus speed of Amit. So length of the train divided by the relative speed t minus 5, he says it is equal to 15 seconds because the train crosses in 15 seconds. From here I can say L is equal to 15t minus 75. Also, the train would take 16 seconds to cross a 100-meter long platform. So when it crosses a 100-meter long platform, L plus 100 is to be covered at a speed of t. It takes 16 seconds. So from here I can say L plus 100 is equal to 16t. Let us just subtract the second equation from first, or the first from second. This gives me 100 on the left hand side and t plus 75 on the right hand side. That gives me t is equal to 25. This gives me t is equal to 25, and when I put it here, 16 into 25, that will be 400. So length of the train will come out to be 300. These are some of the things that I have been able to calculate. Finally, what is the question asking you? Time taken by bike to overtake the train. If the bike has to overtake the train, it has to cover the length of the train, which is 300, at a relative speed of what? Speed of the train, speed of the bike minus speed of the train. Why am I saying this? The bike is overtaking the train. First of all, overtaking means they're running in the same direction. And because bike is able to overcome the train, that means bike is running faster. So bike speed is 40 minus speed of the train is 25. So 300 upon 40 minus 25. So 300 upon 40 minus 25 is 20 seconds. So my final answer is 20 seconds. But yes, I would put this question in the category of a difficult question because after this whole lot of calculations, you are never sure of your answer. You'll always be like, I don't know whether 20 is correct or wrong. So therefore, it's slightly difficult question in my opinion.